Hi, great to see you on my channel. If you haven't registered on a crypto exchange yet, now is the perfect time to do it. Registration is your gateway to a world of opportunities such as joining launchpads and airdrops, earning through arbitrage and P2P, receiving payouts and funding rate income, sending crypto to friends and family anywhere in the world, paying for goods and services with crypto. This is your first step toward freedom and the financial tools of the future. And soon I'll show you how to avoid scams, use the exchange safely, and trade futures without losing money. Sign up and let's dive in. I go to the website by typing in the address bar, Binance.com or another exchange. On the homepage, I click register. I choose to sign in with a Google account. The system then asks for identity verification. I scan the QR code. This opens the exchange app on my phone. In the app, I start the registration process. I upload a photo of my passport or ID. I take a selfie using the phone camera. After submitting my documents, I see a message. Your data is under review. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. A few minutes later, I get a notification. Verification successful, welcome. Now I have full access to the exchange features, launchpads, trading, transfers, P2P, and much more. Register using my referral link. You'll get a discount on fees and access to bonuses. Plus, I'll guide you on how to use the platform safely and avoid scams. The link is in the description. Check it out and get started.